great video for you guys. I have another package. Once again, told you guys I was going to keep these videos coming. Now, this package was sent to me by the great people over at affordableprops.com. Now, if you like me, you probably haven't heard of these guys. I didn't hear about them. I heard about them from PropMoney.com. I think it was, told me about them. So I got in contact with them and they sent me over this package for you guys to check out. So that being said, let's get into this and see what they sent. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. Now, I don't know what's in this package, but we are going to find out together. So, I'm assuming they sent me over all the denominations. That would make sense. Let's go ahead and see here what we have. Okay, yeah. Here are the hundreds, the old style hundreds. Very, very nice. Now, on their website, again, affordableprops.com. Now, this is a website you can go to and get all your prop money. Each stack is $15. They're all $15, which is great if you're on a budget. Here is the $10 stack. Very, very nice. You have the $50. Now we'll get into each one of these in a little bit more detail as we go along, but right now I'm gonna get them out of the package. Here is the new style 100. Now again, each one of these stacks are $15 each. So this is a very, cheaper route that you can go, but still nice. So there's that. Here's the next package. Like I said, I'm assuming they just sent me all the denominations. Now, thanks again for them for actually sending this out to me. There's the 20s. Very, very nice. As you can see. Very, very nice. The ones. All prop companies do the ones. Very nice. So those are great. And finally, the 5s. Very, very nice. That's beautiful. So, as you can see, all the notes there. Boom. Now, here are all the denominations that they offer on their websites. Again, affordableprops.com. If you want yours, go down in the link. Like I said, each one of these stacks are $15 a piece, opposed to like PropMoney.com, Prop Movie Money, where you will be paying a lot more. And they also offer the used prop money, where it's like weathered. There's the $1 bill. Very, very nice. As you can see. And they also come with the bands. There. Spread really good. Like I always tell you guys, obviously it's not real money. Replica. This note is not legal. It is to be used for motion pictures, as you can see. So that was the ones. Now we have the fives. I have a lot more videos coming up soon, guys, on comparing, like I said in my other videos. If you watched any of my other videos, if you haven't, please do like, comment, subscribe. As always, we're gonna be taking this channel as far as we can take it. Here's the 10. There's the 10, very, very nice. This is some of the more realistic money I felt. Now, there's the 10, as you can see. Again, affordableprops.com. Here's the 50. Very beautiful print on that, I must say. Here's the back. Very, very nice. We have the 20. I'm actually gonna be getting a money counter, so that will be nice. I'm thinking about doing an unboxing of that. I'm not sure yet, but that'll be nice to have for the channel. But oops, here's the 20. You can see, very nice. And all of them say this is a replica at the bottom on the back. But these bills do say "In God We Trust," unlike some of the other bills. As you can see right there, you can't really see it, it isn't focusing, but that it says this is a replica. Here is the back of the bill. Very nice. Now, the new style 100. Get it, but like I said, guys, if you want some affordable prop money, this is definitely the way to go. $15 a stack. If you want some nice quality bills for your films, pranks, whatever you want to do. And like I said, like I always say in every video, there will be more content coming. Right now I'm just focusing on getting all the prop money in, unboxing it, showing it. But once I have all the companies, I have Props Wholesale right now. Obviously, this is Affordable Props. I have PropMoney.com. I'm about to have PropMovieMoney.com. I have MoMoney.com. And I'm waiting on a few other places to come in. So, but like I said, right now we're just focusing on unboxing it, showing you guys, and yeah, and then we will have comparison videos coming out. Hopefully, you know, content like that, showing the different prop money, age prop money, blank fillers, stuff like that. Just this channel is going to be the one-stop shop. Anything prop money related will be on this channel right now. Obviously, this is a growing channel. So yeah, I appreciate companies like this that send me this so I can make videos like this for you guys. So this can continue obviously in the future. But like I said, this is affordableprops.com. I will have a link to their website in the description. I do recommend this company, affordableprops.com. Again, they did send me this, but I wouldn't tell you guys wrong. $15 a stack, you can't go wrong, honestly. and it shipped very fast. Customer service was great. Everything is great about this company. So yeah, like I said, affordableprops.com, go get it. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you do all those great things. There will be a bunch of different videos coming up, money counting videos, and stuff like that. Probably even some, I don't know, we'll probably do like some prank videos or something on this channel, or I don't know, we'll figure something out. But there will be great content coming soon. Like I said, I'm focusing on getting all the prop money in right now. I have prop money everywhere right now. I have it in these bags. These bags are full. I have boxes everywhere of prop money. So yeah, I'm just getting all the prop money in. I probably have about $300,000 worth of prop money right now. So yeah, I have a decent amount, but I'm just rambling right now. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the future videos. Again, this is affordableprops.com. I know I done said it a million times, but go get this. Shop with these people. They're very cheap. Very good customer service. They're not one of the big name brands. I didn't even hear about them, like I said. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This has been another video with BNS Reviews. So yeah, I probably will have a video. I'm gonna be pushing out videos every week for sure, but it's been slow the past couple days. Packages, I got packages coming Monday. So yeah, there will definitely be a video Monday. And then I'm gonna edit this video right now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your brother, tell your sister about this channel. We're going up from here. If you haven't heard about prop money, you need to go get you some prop money. You need to go to affordableprops.com and get you some prop money. Yeah, there's a million things you can do with it. Pranks, videos, movies, or just to have. So yeah, guys.